Hi, I'm Justin Labato, and I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of the Reflection Artist Pad Kit by Buff & Shine Manufacturing. The benefits of this kit is real simple. First off, we've simplified the whole process of buffing pads by offering 5 pads. And of course, with this pad system, you've got from the least aggressive to the most aggressive, as of course you can see here. So we have our 2 fiber-based pads, which is our Euro Wool Blend and then our Euro Fiber Finisher pad. These are going to be our most aggressive pads. The Euro Wool Blend offers a great cut and finish, and then for where you want super cut, you would get into our Euro Fiber Finisher pad. Then from there, you have 3 foams. From our least aggressive, which is going to be our polishing pad, our yellow pad, our heavy polishing blue pad, and then our medium cut maroon pad. All 5 of these pads will allow you to cover up to about 70% of the current paint systems on the market. And it simplifies that because it allows you to basically do all the paint correction from polishing to multi-step all within this kit. It simplifies it, makes it way easier, and it becomes the most universal pad kit on the market. And the best part about it is once you fall in love with an individual pad, you could purchase those pads individually, and they come with the kit. They come in a 6-inch and 5-inch, but they also come in 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch in some cases with the individual pads. I hope you learned some of the benefits of our Reflection Artist Pad Kit. Thank you for watching.